You busy? Friday! Oh, good boy. Good boy. So what's the plan? The dogs have less than a day left. We've got to get them out of there now. Okay, that's really more a goal than a plan.
There's a no-kill shelter outside the city, so if we can get them out of the pound and over the county line, then they're home free.
Right.
We gotta move quick.
Andy, what happens to us?
It's, Look, Bruce, it's not gonna be good. We're gonna be in more trouble than we've ever been in. But we're gonna save the dogs. That's what we're supposed to do, right?
Okay, guys. Okay, so here's a pound, and this is the county line. And this is what we're gonna do.